Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the time picker dialog in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the edit text. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first, we request the focus over the edit text. Without this focus we would have to touch the edit text twice. Then we call the open_time_picker function. Here, first, we get the calendar instance, with the current hour and minutes. When the user selects a time, we capture that time over here. If the hour or the minute number is less than 10, we prefix a 0 to it. Then we set the selected time in the edit text. Here we set a title to the dialog, and show it. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a time picker dialog in Kotlin Android. Thank you.